Hello and welcome to today's daily update. My name is Alex Brog. Today I thought we'd look at the big consumer stocks, given the Consumer Electronics Show has recently closed in Las Vegas, where over 2,700 companies exhibited. We're going to focus on Research in Motion initially. They announced their new playbook alongside 80 other tablets that were showcased at the big event. This had mixed reviews, and interestingly enough, short interest in this stock has spiked since mid-December, rising from 1% of total shares outstanding on loan to 3.5% today. Yet interestingly enough, on the long side of the market, the long-only funds who lend, our proxy for institutional ownership, has increased from 35 million shares to 53 million shares. The processor wars have received a lot of press coverage recently, with a lot of debate about whether or not Intel can break out from its PC heritage and take on the Google Android and ARM-dominated tablets. Short interest in Intel is pretty low, less than 1%. Interestingly, ARM has been more volatile, and it has seen short interest fall dramatically from 10% back in May 2010 to 1.2% today. Sony has announced a 3D TV where you don't actually need the glasses to watch, which sounds fantastic. I would certainly like one of those. Short interest in Sony is pretty low at 0.2% of the Tokyo listed stock and 0.6% of its US listed ADR, which represents 23% of the lendable supply. Finally, Verizon has announced, interestingly, that it is being granted the license to sell Apple's iPads, and it's going to compete with AT&T in the US. Short interest has risen to 2.5%, although this may be somewhat clouded by the dividend that's being paid today. That wraps up today's daily briefing. The full report can be found at www.dataexplorers.com/news. Thank you.